So I put a pencil lead inside of a marshmallow. I put that marshmallow in a microwave for a minute, and this is what happens. So we're gonna see if we can find the fucking marshmallow. Oh my god. Oh, by the way, my name's Squeaker's Bat. See? Hey guys. So, I'm gonna see if we can find the lead. Taking this spoon. Yeah. Very hard. Oh my god. Look at that, guys. It's amazing. It's breaking off. Oh my god. What is this? Still tastes like marshmallow. Burnt marshmallow. Not bad. That's actually pretty good. And you know what I just realized? That I remembered that I put a pencil lead in that thing. Oh crap. I think I'm gonna get poisoned. I cannot find the lead, guys. Ah, sticky.